Hey there, money enthusiasts. Alex from WealthWalk here. And today I'm about to blow your mind with something that sounds too good to be true. But stick with me because this is absolutely legitimate. We're turning your TikTok addiction into cold, hard cash. Yes, you heard that right, and no, I haven't lost my marbles. The 3 simple steps to financial freedom. Step 1. The TikTok adventure. First things first, my wonderful wealth walkers, head over to tiktok.com. Now I know what you're thinking. But Alex, I'm already there 20 hours a day. Perfect. You're halfway to becoming a professional video watcher. Who knew all those hours of scrolling were actually job training, right? Step 2. The 15-second challenge. Here comes the hard part. Watch a minimum of 15 seconds of your chosen video. That's right, 15 whole seconds. It's shorter than the time it takes to decide what to have for lunch or explain to your grandparents what a meme is. Step 3. The profit paradise. Now for everyone's favorite part, the money. And before you think this is just another internet fairy tale, let me drop some real numbers from our community. Jennifer from California made $37 today. David from London earned $41. Rachel from Toronto pocketed $28. But hold on to your smartphones, because before we dive deeper into this goldmine, let me introduce you to something special. Introducing WeCash, your personal money printer, kind of. Special sponsorship announcement. Listen up, future millionaires. WeCash is about to become your new best friend. Here's the deal. Get 200 shiny tokens just for signing up. Yes, completely free. Access to premium partners like Loadably, Offertoro, and Time Wall. Play games that actually pay you. Finally, a legitimate reason to game all day. Cash out with just $1 minimum. No more waiting forever to see your money. Choose between PayPal or gift cards. Flexibility is key, my friends. Earn 15% from referring friends. Spread the wealth, literally. The secret sauce. Viral content is king. All right, my dedicated wealth walkers, let's dive into the real strategy. Alex's special recipe for success coming right up. 1. Finding viral gold. We're hunting for content that's absolutely exploding on TikTok. Funny dance videos are like finding a 4-leaf clover in the digital world. We're talking about videos with 1.4 million views. Impressive. 50 million views. Now we're talking. And everything in between that makes creators go viral. 2. The money talk. Using our special method, which I'm about to reveal, you can earn anywhere from $4 to $15 per video. And yes, I can see your eyes lighting up through the screen. 3. Alex's pro tip. Need help finding trending content? Here's my secret weapon. Google. Most viral trends on TikTok. It's like having a GPS for viral content. Trust me, this simple trick has saved me hours of scrolling. The ultimate money-making formula. 1. Video selection. Choose content with thumbnails that pop. We're talking 23 million views territory. Remember, if it catches your eye, it'll catch others too. 2. Link magic. Grab that video link like it's the last slice of pizza at a party. This is crucial for the next step. 3. The golden platform. Time for the big reveal. We're using clicksfly.com. This is where the magic really happens. Drop in your TikTok link. Add your catchy title as the alias. Watch as it transforms into your money-making URL. 4. Pinterest power move. Create your masterpiece in Canva. Use the golden dimensions. 1000 by 1500 pixels. Add some eye-catching arrows. Red works like magic. Craft compelling text that demands attention. Upload to Pinterest with style. Insert your ClicksFly link. This is where the money magic happens. Alex's advanced tips for success. 1. Design matters. Your image needs to pop like fireworks on New Year's Eve. A poorly designed pin is like showing up to a black tie event in swimming trunks. People will notice, and not in a good way. 2. Platform loyalty. Stick to clicksfly.com like glue. Other URL shorteners are like using a chocolate teapot. They look good but just don't work for our purposes. 3. Consistency is key. Keep pinning regularly. Think of it as feeding a hungry pet. The more love you give it, the more it gives back. The grand finale, your path to success. And there you have it, my wonderful wealth walkers. Each click on your strategically placed links is like a tiny deposit in your digital piggy bank. It's practically automated income. Important note, this method works worldwide. Whether you're enjoying a croissant in Paris or sipping coconut water in Bali, you can make this work for you. Bonus section, maximizing your TikTok money-making journey. Hello again, wealth walkers. Alex back with some extra golden nuggets of wisdom that I simply couldn't keep to myself. Think of this as your VIP access to advanced strategies, time management tips. Listen up, because this is where most people drop the ball. To maximize your earnings, you need to work smarter, not harder. Here's my personal schedule that brings in consistent results. 1. Morning power hour. Spend 30 minutes finding viral trends. Use another 30 minutes creating your Pinterest images. Schedule your pins for optimal engagement times. 2. Afternoon optimization. Track which videos are performing best. Analyze engagement patterns. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Pro tip: I found that funny dance videos posted between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. get the most engagement. It's like catching the perfect wave at sunset. Timing is everything. Advanced Pinterest strategies. Let me share some insider secrets that have doubled my success rate. 1. Board organization. Create themed boards for different video categories. Use keyword-rich descriptions. Maintain a consistent pinning schedule. 2. Image enhancement. Add your WealthWalk watermark for branding. Use bright, attention-grabbing colors. Include action words that drive clicks. Troubleshooting common issues. Because I care about your success, here are solutions to problems you might encounter. 1. Link not working. Double-check your ClicksFly settings. Ensure Pinterest hasn't flagged your content. Verify your TikTok video is still available. 2. Low engagement. Try different thumbnail styles. Test various posting times. Experiment with different video niches. Extra income boosters. But wait, there's more. Combine with other platforms. While TikTok is our main focus, you can multiply your earnings by 1. Sharing your pins on Facebook groups. 2. Creating Twitter threads about trending videos. 3. Starting a Telegram channel for your best finds. Building your brand. Think long-term, wealth walkers. Here's how to build your own money-making empire. 1. Create a simple website to showcase your best-performing videos. 2. Start a newsletter sharing weekly viral trends. 3. Build a community of fellow moneymakers. Final words of wisdom. Remember, my dedicated wealth walkers, success in this field is like making the perfect cup of coffee. It takes the right ingredients, perfect timing, and a dash of patience. Some days you'll make more than others, but consistency is key. If you follow these steps diligently for 30 days, you'll not only master this system, but potentially create a sustainable side income stream. And yes, you can quote me on that. Coming up next week, stay tuned for my exclusive deep dive into advanced Pinterest marketing strategies, secret viral video finding techniques, special guest appearance from a 6-figure TikTok earner. Remember, your financial freedom journey is a marathon, not a sprint. But with these strategies, at least you're sprinting in the right direction. Until next time, this is Alex, your dedicated wealth guide, reminding you that every scroll can be turned into gold. Keep walking the wealth walk, and I'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to destroy that like button, obliterate the subscribe button, and absolutely demolish that notification bell. Your bank account will thank you later. Community Spotlight. Starting next week, I'll be featuring success stories from our WealthWalk family. Want to be featured? Drop your earnings story in the comments below. Remember, we rise by lifting others. Last but not least, share this video with someone who needs this information. Spreading wealth is what we're all about here at WealthWalk. Double your success potential. Want to know how to double your earnings? Keep your eyes peeled for next week's video, where yours truly will reveal the secrets of making money with YouTube Shorts. Remember to join our ever-growing WealthWalk family by smashing that subscribe button and giving that bell a friendly tap. As I always say, your future self will thank you for the financial wisdom you're gaining today. Before I sign off, here's my disclaimer. Results may vary, but I guarantee you'll have fun trying this method. This is Alex, your friendly neighborhood wealth guide, signing off until next time. Drop a comment below with your country. I love seeing where all my fellow wealth walkers are from. Let's build this global community together.